Hey guys, I am just now getting around to filming my unboxing, so I'm just going to do all of my subscription boxes at one time here. So this is Birchbox, and it looks like in this one I got the Professional Primer, which I will be giving away. High Performance Hair Care Sugar Texturizing Spray, I will be putting that in for a giveaway. Marcel City moisturizing. I've actually heard good things about this, so I'm going to give this a try. And we have, is this Stila? Yeah. The Stay All Day lipstick, and this is in Beso. This is such a pretty red, but it's more of an orange based, and I don't like reds anyway, but I definitely can't get away with an orange base, so I will put this in for a future giveaway. And Makeup Magnet Wipes from Vasanti. I love this brand. You hardly ever hear of them. They are really, really good. I have some of their brushes, and they are great. So I'm going to actually keep these because this is a perfect size to travel with. So this is great. So that was the whole Birchbox. Birchbox is one that I canceled. It's definitely not my favorite. Of all of the subscription boxes that I've gotten, BoxyCharm is by far my favorite, so that's the one that I'm going to keep, and I'm going to be canceling all of the others. This is a really cute box this month, though, so I'll probably keep this to put the stuff that I'm going to be doing the giveaways. I'll mail it off in that. So the next one is my Sephora. I'm sure you guys have already seen all these, but I am so late to this. The bag just says Play. I really like these bags. They are so great in my kit. I take them on jobs with me, and I just put my dirty brushes inside here so that I know what's dirty. And then I have other ones I actually write on the top with a permanent marker, and then I'll know like what needs to be cleaned, what I've used, and I can just have them in the bag. So these have actually come in really in handy for me, so I really like those. Alright. Bejort, what is it? I always say this wrong. Briagio? I don't know, that's probably wrong. Blossom and Bloom, and it is a volumizing spray, and that is fantastic. I will keep that because I certainly need volume in my hair in Florida. That is a huge problem. Is this Stroke Elephant? It is. Okay. That is really good. Moisturizer, that is fantastic. I will absolutely be keeping this, and I'm going to try that tonight, actually. Boscia. It's the Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. That's great. I actually have the full size of this, so I will put this in for a giveaway. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel. This is fantastic. Again, for my freelance kit, I love to keep things like this in there for my brides or models or whoever, whatever it is that I'm doing, and I can have them, wash their face before I do their makeup. So I actually love these little kinds of things like this, so that'll be going in my freelance kit. Well, they put a lot of Tarte in here. So this is like a Tarte. Is this a highlighter or a blush? Ooh, that's pretty. And Party, Amazonian Clay 12-hour blushes. And I've said this before, if you watched my channel, Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes are hands down the best blushes on the market as far as longevity. Blush seems to be the very first thing that goes away whenever I do makeup or anybody does makeup. And the Tarte blushes, they stick around. They are just fantastic. I love them. So that will definitely be going in my kit. And this is in the color... What are you in the color of? Oh, this is Salt Life. This is really pretty. And again, I love these little sample sizes. They are just absolutely fantastic. When I go on a job and I, am using this, I'll use the wand, and then I always cut off, a layer to keep it sanitized. So these little things are fantastic because I feel like I get my full use out of something like this. So all in all, I think Sephora killed it this month. These are all fantastic. I am happy with everything that I got in there, so this was a great box. Okay, next is Ipsy, and oh, I always have mixed feelings about Ipsy. Ever since Michelle Kwan left the company, I just don't think that it has been the quality that it was before. That's just my opinion. It's a cute bag. I'm always about the holographic. I just think they're so cute. I don't get sick of it. I really enjoy it. Face Contour by Luscious. I have actually never heard of this. It is a dark contour and highlight. I'm not even going to open this because I just got the one from Too Faced and I know that that's what I'll be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in for a giveaway. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it's the B word again. This is a Scalp Revival, charcoal, peppermint oil, cooling jelly conditioner. No thank you. I'm going to pass on this for sure. This kind of stuff freaks me out. I don't like anything like that on my scalp. It's weird. This is Beauty for Real. This is another line that I don't think gets enough publicity. This is in Whiskey. I actually have this, so I will go ahead and put this in. But they have really great products, and they're fairly inexpensive. Oh, this is nice. Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. This stuff is great. I love, love, love the foundation. So this will be a great thing to throw into my kit. This is light medium. So yeah, that'll be perfect. I will definitely put that in my kit. And, oh, there's one more thing. Okay. Mint Pear. What is this? Night Serum. Oh, it's Rosehip. Okay. Rosehip is great. I think that this is a really cool product, but you guys know I am very faithful to my Lancer, and other than maybe like an extra moisturizer like that Drunk Elephant, I don't really mix anything else in there, so I will be putting this in the box for a future giveaway. And that is that. Cute little bag, though. It's adorable. Alright, last one is my favorite, and it's BoxyCharm. So let's see what's in here. This may be July's. I can't remember. It is. These are all from July. Oh my gosh, I'm a month behind. So my August should be coming pretty soon. Well, at least I'm finally getting around to them before the new ones come. First thing is by Note, Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and it is in Desert Rose. Okay, let's see what the color looks like here. That is some seriously pigmented blush. That is really pretty. I'm actually going to keep that. That is really nice. That has got a lot of pigment to it. I did not expect that. I'm going to put that right away right now. That I'm going to keep. Okay, next we have Unlashed Wander Beauty. Oh, okay. Volume and Curl Mascara. This is great. Mascaras, again, those are always something I love to have in my kit because I just go through them so often. One thing that I would like tell you guys to do is on the back, look and see what the life is on them. This one says 6 months. That's actually important. You don't want bacteria and all that stuff breeding in there and get like an eye infection, you get styes, all kinds of gross stuff from your eyes. So pay attention to that kind of stuff. It's really important. Dr. Brandt, Needles No More Baggage. Eye Depuffing Gel. Oh, that's great. This will be perfect in my kit too. I will be able to use this on my clients when they have bags under their eyes. So I will put that in my kit. And finally, it's by Cella, Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Again, I'm pretty set on my Dior. I really like it. It works well with my eye, or with my eyebrows, and it's finally like the actual right shade. It doesn't look too dusty on me. So I'm going to put this in for a giveaway. And then it looks like there's something pretty big here. Oh, it's by Crown Brushes. Let's see. Crown Brushes is really good as well. Let's see here. Is it a palette? Okay. It looks like it's kind of all it's really pretty, but it is definitely like a little bit busted up. The colors are gorgeous, but they are definitely colors that I already have, so I will make sure that this goes right back into here. And I will put that back for a future giveaway. All right, that is all of my subscription. That is all of my subscription boxes. I think, as always, BoxyCharm is the one that steals the show. But there was definitely, I think that Sephora did a pretty good job not this month, July as well. So I'm happy with it. Like I said, I will be canceling in August, my last time that I get them, because that's when my year subscription was up with them. So I'm going to be canceling them as they all come up for renewal. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.